I found her diary under
Ay, nakita mo? Parehas na dun sa pinagdaan natin, di ba?
and
Yung dun sa may, talisay, di ba?
about me.
Okay yan eh, tama yan eh.
The words she'd written took me by surprise. You'd never read them in her eyes. They said that she had found the love she'd waited for. But you know it, she wouldn't show it.
Para nga naman hindi ka pupunta doon, no?